Third conditional sentences. Please like or subscribe for more videos. Third conditional sentences consist of if past perfect, which is had done, would have done. Please remember this structure. Remember, third conditional sentences happen in the past and finished. Let's practice. Number 1. The accident was your fault. If you more carefully, it wouldn't have happened. A drove, B drive, C had drove, D had driven. The correct answer is had driven. Number 2. Did you go to the park yesterday? No, it was cold. If it a nice day, you would have mind going. A is, B was, C had was, D had been. The correct answer is D, if it had been. Number 3. I'd have gone out last night if she, me. A invited, B invite, C had invited, D invites. So I'd have gone is a short form I would have gone. So we need had done for the second part. So if she had invited, the answer is C. If you pay attention, in all these examples, something happened in the past and finished, and we're talking about the past. If, had done, would have done. It's a formula, remember it please. Number 4. If you hadn't reminded me, I A. forgot, B. forget, C. had forgotten, D. would have forgotten. Based off the formula, had done, would have done. So would have forgotten is correct, D. Number 5. If you, him, he wouldn't have been furious. Furious means very angry. A. didn't tell, B. wouldn't tell, C. hadn't told him, D. had told him. C. hadn't told, D. had told. Based on our grammar rules, so the correct answer is hadn't told him. Number 6. If I enough money, I wouldn't have worked. A. had, B. had, C. have, D. will have. So here we have wouldn't have done, we need had. So we have here had done, so we need had done. Formula had done is exactly like number B, had. If I'd had enough money. Number 7. If he nervous, he wouldn't have failed. So wouldn't have done the same, we need to find had done formula. A. had been, hadn't been B, B. hadn't been, C. was, D. wasn't. So here if he hadn't, so here the correct answer here is if he hadn't been, B. Number 8. If it, you wouldn't have gone out yesterday. A. didn't rain, B. wasn't rained, C. will not rain, D. hadn't rained. As the formula or structure, we need to have had done. Here we have just the correct answer, D. hadn't rained. So the answer is D. Number 9. If she had told me, I, her. So here she had told me, we need to find would have done formula. A. would help, not correct. B. would have helped, not correct because we need would have done, helped, not help. C. would have helped, and D. help. So the correct answer is C. would have helped, based on our grammar rules. 10. If we hadn't had a map, we, so hadn't had, we need to find would have done formula, or something looks like would have done, whether negative or positive. A. would have lose, not correct. Lost must be correct. Would have got lost. B. C. Would lost. D. Would be lost. The correct is would have got lost. Thank you for watching. Please like or subscribe for more videos.